Good morning, friends. Welcome back again in the chapter 3 trip to Edinburgh. Today I'm going to South Queensferry town. So I'll tell you, you can see that the yellow bus, which is called the stagecoach, but they will charge you a lot. As per before in the another video, I said to you, you just need to buy the day pass, which is charge you £5. So you need to just pay 50p extra per pass, so you can explore the outbound of the, outer area of the Edinburgh. I took the bus of 43 number from the Edinburgh Waverley station. It will take me 35 to 40 minutes to reach at the South Queensferry town. I would like to tell you one more thing, friends. When I'm just decided to go to South Queensferry to see that the Fort Bridge, at that time I researched there are many options. They will give you that the one-day tourist buses. They will charge you around 16 to 24 pound, but in just £5 50p, I went to the Queensferry. I came back and I used this same pass to explore the rest of places in the Edinburgh as well. South Queensferry is a charming and historic town that offers visitors a unique glimpse into Scotland's rich culture, heritage and natural beauty. It is located in the east central lowlands of Scotland, situated on the south shore of the Firth of Forth, approximately 10 miles northwest of the city of Edinburgh. It is part of the area of City of Edinburgh. So don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon to get notification of latest videos. You can see it's the eye-catching view. Really, it's worth it to visit the South Queensferry when you come to the Edinburgh, because we most of the time we just travel to the Glasgow, Inverness, but this is really, it's worth it to visit this. South Queensferry has a small population of around 1,000 people, and its economy is primarily based on tourism, fishing and some light industry. The town has a range of shops, cafes, restaurants as well as several historic pubs and bars. Friends, I'm just walking around this place to take a proper view, but yeah, let's see. Yes, and finally I got the proper place to show you the one amazing view. This town is known for its picturesque historic charm and its iconic fourth bridge, which was completed in 1890, and it is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The fourth bridge is one of the most famous landmarks in Scotland, and it is recognized as an engineering marvel. And here left side you can see this is the Fourth Road Bridge and Queensferry crossing. Now I'm going to do my lunch. I saw one option here, they make the falafel wrap. So just come inside with me.